Ever felt like you're chasing a financial ghost? You hear whispers, see fleeting mentions, but can't quite pin it down? Today, we're going on a bit of a treasure hunt, a financial expedition if you will, to unravel a question that pops up more than you might think. Is Westpac in the UK? Now, before we dive headfirst into maps and bank branches, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're an Aussie expat, settling into the vibrant chaos of London. You've got your Vegemite, your Tim Tams, and a burning question: can you easily access your Westpac accounts, your financial lifeline, right here? Or perhaps you're a UK business looking to expand into the Australian market, and you're wondering if Westpac can smooth the financial pathways. This isn't just a simple yes or no, it's about understanding the intricate web of global finance. We often assume that big banks have a ubiquitous presence, that they're like global fast food chains, popping up on every corner. But the reality is far more nuanced. Banking regulations, market strategies, and historical legacies all play a part in shaping a bank's international footprint. So, let's peel back the layers and get to the heart of the matter. Westpac, for those unfamiliar, is one of Australia's big four banks, a financial powerhouse with a long and storied history. It's deeply ingrained in the Australian and Pacific Islander financial landscape. But what about the UK? Does that same presence extend across the globe? The short answer, in terms of retail banking branches, is no. You won't find a Westpac branch on Oxford Street or in the heart of the City of London. The bank's primary focus has always been on its domestic market and its neighboring Pacific regions. However, that's not the whole story. Westpac does maintain a presence in London, but it's geared towards institutional banking. This means they facilitate corporate and institutional clients, handling things like foreign exchange, trade finance, and other specialized financial services. In essence, they're working behind the scenes, connecting businesses and institutions between Australia and the UK, but not serving individual retail customers. Think of it like this: Westpac in London is less about serving your everyday banking needs and more about supporting the complex financial flows that underpin international trade and investment. They're the architects of financial bridges, not the corner store. This brings up a crucial point: the world of finance is increasingly digital. While physical branches might be absent, the internet has blurred geographical boundaries. Online banking, international transfers, and digital financial platforms have made it easier than ever to manage your finances across borders. You can often access your Westpac accounts online from the UK, though specific services and fees may apply. So, while you might not be able to walk into a Westpac branch in London, the bank's presence is still felt, albeit in a different form. It's a reminder that global finance is a complex tapestry, with different players serving different roles. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.